Morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain you this poem, A Sad Case, which is narrated by Edgar Fawcett. So, A Sad Case, by this name, I can tell you that there is a boy in this poem who loves candies and cakes very much, and he is expressing his sadness over those people who do not like candies and cakes and who prefer candies and cakes as something wrong to eat because he loves candies and cakes very much. So that is why the name of the chapter is A Sad Case. So let's start. Let's begin. I can't understand why we don't like the things. It's wholesome and proper to eat. I wish that I just hated candies and cakes and cared for potatoes and meat. It frightens me sometimes to think what I would do if only I had my own way. So now, children, here is a boy. You can see here in the picture that here is a boy and he loves candies and cakes very much. So he has just put up his imagination in this poem. He is saying that I do not understand why don't people like few things. It's wholesome and proper to eat. It's wholesome means it's completely fine and proper to eat. I wish that I just hated candies and cakes. So now he is saying that I wish that I just hate hated to eat candies or cakes or sweets, and I would have cared for potatoes and meat, that I would have got potatoes and meat to eat more rather than candies and cakes. But it frightens me sometimes to think what I would do if only I had my own way in a candy shop or a baker shop. So now this boy is saying, you can see here a boy, he is having so many candies, a cake around him, and his dog is also sitting behind him. So beside him. So what he is saying that I love candies and cakes so much that I don't know, I am so frightened, I am so scared that I think that if I had a candy shop or if I were having a baker shop, then what would I have done with the candies and with the cakes? I would have eaten it for the whole day. I love it so much that I would have eaten it for the whole day, whole of my life, with no one to watch me someday. So now he's saying that if he had a baker shop or a candy shop, then he would have eaten whole day these candies and cakes, and no one would be there to watch me because it will be my own shop, so I can eat as much as I want to eat. For if anyone left me alone with a lot of candies and cakes at my side. So now he's saying that if it ever happens that anyone leaves me alone with a lot of candies and lot of cakes beside me at my side, then I firmly believe I should eat and should eat and should eat and should eat till I die. So now, children, you can see here that this boy loves candies and cakes very much, more than anything. So here he has told about his wish for candies and cakes, his thought about candies and cakes. So he is telling at the starting of the poem, he is telling that I don't know why people are so much cared about what to eat and what not to eat, and how can someone hate eating candies or sweets or cakes, because I love them so much. I don't care this much about potatoes or meat, but I care this much about candies and cakes. And if I would have someday, if I have my own shop of cakes and candies and a baker shop, and no one would be there to watch me, to have a eye over me, then I would have eaten lots and lots of cakes and lots of candies, and no one would be there to stop me. And then he is saying that if I am left alone with these candies and cakes, then I would eat as much as I want and no one will be able to stop me from eating it. And I firmly believe, I believe this, that yes, there is nothing wrong in this. Wholesome, it is wholesome and proper to eat means it is there is no harm in eating it, and I will eat it. I should eat it. I should eat it, and I should eat it until I die. The day when I die, until then I will keep eating candies and cakes for the whole of my life. So here he has told about his love for cakes and candies. So I hope that you have understood this poem. Try to understand it, reading the lines again and again, and connect it through its meaning by going through this video and audio.